Wishing you all a happy and prosperous New Year 2026. Today it is 1st January 2026. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Corosima Shorthand classes. This is the speed of 80 words per minute and is of Andhra Pradesh. The examination conducted was in the month of July 2021. Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Honorable Prime Minister addressing in the 8th National Agriculture Conference said, "Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be here with you and take part in this conference to say few words on the importance of agriculture in Indian economy. India is an agricultural country. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. It is important not only from economic point of view but has deep influence on our social, political and cultural life. Agriculture is one of the major sectors of Indian economy. For the last 100 years, 70% of our population depends on agriculture. 1/3 of our national income comes from agriculture. The development of agriculture has much to do with the economic welfare of our country. Our agriculture remained underdeveloped for a long time. We did not produce enough food for our people. Our country had to buy food grains from some other countries, but the things are changing. Now India is producing more food grains than its needs. Great improvements have been made in agriculture through our 5-year plans. Now our country is self-sufficient in food grains. It is now in a position to export surplus food grains and some other agricultural products to all over the world. Our government made plans for the development of agriculture in all aspects. As a result, our agricultural produce has increased rapidly, but the progress is still not sufficient because our population is growing at a fast rate. Every year we have millions of new mouths to be fed. The area of the land under cultivation has been decreasing year after year. More and more land is required for building houses, factories, roads and buildings. Therefore, the area of the land under cultivation is decreasing. Our government is recovering more and more wasteland and it is being brought under cultivation by using proper irrigation facilities. Now the government is trying to educate the farmers. Agricultural colleges and universities have been set up. They give all types of knowledge regarding agricultural science to the young farm students. The government is trying to help the farmers in all respects. The government establishes Food Corporation of India to purchase the farm produce directly from the farmers. Before I conclude, I would like to state that the central government is very much interested to extend overall support for the development of agriculture in each and every state in India. Letter from Anand Agencies, Kurnool. Dear sirs, we are very sorry to have your letter of complaint regarding the goods sent to you on 17th November. We have made a careful inquiry into the matter and we found that the mistake was entirely due to the careless packing of goods by our transport department. We request you to accept our apology for the damages caused to you in this regard. We express the hope that you will not take this incident as critical and that you will allow us another opportunity to trade with you in future also. However, we are glad to say that we allow a special discount for you on the damaged goods at the rate of 3%. We assure you that the orders you may give hereafter will be given special attention. Looking forward for the receipt of your valuable orders in the near future. Awaiting for an early reply from you, yours faithfully. That's all.